In front of me is DOOGEE X97 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Phone. Now click on Device Name section at the top left corner and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, tap on OK in Device Name pop-up. Last but not least, confirm your choice by selecting OK in this one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!